Okay, the vid series optimizer, this is another tool that we took from TubeKit, and we put it in here because the internal linking with this strategy can be really beneficial. Now, you may have heard of a guy called Paul Murphy. Paul is a 5-figure per month affiliate marketer, and he uses this strategy very, very effectively with his affiliate marketing campaigns, where he creates multiple videos around one specific promotion. Say for example it's about ClickFunnels, then he would have videos about ClickFunnels templates and ClickFunnels demo and tutorials, ClickFunnels pricing and ClickFunnels trial, etc. And what he would do then is he will put all of those links for all of the videos in all of the videos. So it would be the title and it would be the URL for the video, and he would just have all the videos in the series in each one of those videos. Okay, he attributes that for getting Google rankings within 48 hours, and it's a very, very good way as well that you can get people to click on links in your description to watch other videos. Okay, so that can give you earned views in YouTube, which is also a ranking factor. So how do we set this up? Well, first of all, let's have a look at what this looks like. So what I wanted to do with this campaign was to put together these 3 videos, which you can see is a part 1 and part 2 and part 3. So this is a video series, right? So how I do that is over here we just put in some basic information. We have to give the video series a name. Okay, in this case it's YouTube traffic hacks. Okay, 3 videos about YouTube traffic hacks, and a product name that I'm going to be promoting, SerpAttack. I mentioned that in the traffic hacks. That's one of the tools I mentioned there. And product link, I put a link to go and get a trial. Okay, so what does it look like when we start to put all this together? Well, first of all, you can see we got shortcodes, and so I put the title in. So it's always going to take the title for whatever video that it's adding into the description. Plus it's going to add as well this series name. It will put all videos, which is the title and URL for all videos in the series. Okay, again the product name will be underneath that and the product link underneath that. So what that looks like, if I click on preview over here and just drag that over from near the screen, you can see here that we have got the title, we got the series, we got the 3 videos within the actual video series, we got the product name that we're promoting plus the link for that, and you can put in anything else that you want here as well. Okay, so you can maybe just keep a default on a Google Doc, a sort of default description on the Google Doc, and you can add it in here once you have added all these bits in. Okay, so that is how it works. It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple, but the power of this is as well, not just that it can do this very quickly and easily, because it's actually kind of fiddly to do if you try to do it yourself, because you have to take these titles and the URLs and put it into one video, then another, then another. If you got maybe 7, 8, 9, 10 videos, that becomes really fiddly kind of task to do. But what if you go and add another 2 or 3 videos? Well, all you have to do is you're going to go and search from your channel and put in your channel name and go and find your videos. Okay, you can put in a channel name, you can put in a keyword, go and find your videos, and you can just add those, and then you click on update one more time and it's just going to automatically go and do that update for you. Okay, it's really fast, it's really quick and really simple to manage. One thing I would advise is that when you have done this, okay, save it to your computer so that you've always got a copy of it. Okay, so what we can do here is we can simply come over here and we can click on save, and you can see I've got my folders in the background here. I'm just going to go and find Synd Alpha, and what I'm going to do here is create a folder. I'll call it vid series campaigns, and I can just simply save this one, and this one is called YouTube traffic hacks. Okay, saved, so I can pull it in anytime I want, and I can update it anytime I want in future as well if I add more videos in here. Okay, let's go and create a new campaign just quickly. So here, product name, I'm going to put in here a project name, sorry, YouTube SEO tips. Okay, series name is going to be the same, YouTube SEO tips. In fact, I'll put 5. Okay. Okay, something like that. 5 YouTube SEO tips you should be using in 2022. Okay. Product name for this one is going to be YouTube SEO checklist. It's not a product I sell, but it is a product that can build my email list, and by getting people on my email list I can market to them multiple times. Okay, so I need to get the link for this one. Okay, I'll put the link in here. And the last one, to select the account, I'll choose my main account. Now this is important to know. When you are choosing the account, this is going to pre-populate when you're looking for your videos, when you're searching for your videos. Okay, so whatever you choose here, when you do the search for your videos, it's going to be searching this account automatically. Okay, now you can do this with multiple different channels. All you have to do is save the ones you want from one channel, then come back into the info tab, and then you can go into another channel and search there if you want to. Okay, I'm going to click on save here, and then when I open this up over here and I click to browse channel, you will see that it's already populated the channel ID. Okay, so all I have to do then is I'm going to go and search for my videos. Okay, I'll open this up and you can see it's pulled in the videos. So I've got here this tip number 1, and I've got here this tip number 2, and I'll scroll down, I'll go and get more. Okay, I had to go and make 3 of these public. They were unlisted, so it won't find them if it's unlisted. So what I've done is I've done the search again, and I saved the ones I could find in here, but we can rearrange those as well, so it's not difficult to work with. Okay, so I need to find more of these. I've got tip number 2 and I've got tip number 1, I think, to be able to find. Let me just check. I've got 4, 3 and 1, so okay, number 2 and number 5 I need. Okay, let's just go and find it. It's number 5 and number 2 we're looking for here. Okay, we can add those in. Okay, now what we do here, if I click on here, I can highlight that, just click on the corner there, and you can start to move that up. Okay, and again for the one that's tip number 2, I need to go and find it. Haven't I got that one? Here. Okay, move that up. 1, 2, and move this one up. 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I've got a kid in the background in the next room, and there's not much I can do about the background noise. So here we've got all 5 of our videos. Okay, so what we can do next is come back over here. Now we've got this looking like this at the moment. Okay, and we can still work on this area, because what we can do is we can add more sort of default information in there, like click links to the support desk or something like that. You can put in social media profiles, all that kind of thing if you want. Okay, so the preview doesn't let you do anything in here, but what we can do is we can come in here and we can choose what information we want to put in here. Okay, so the easiest way to keep this very, very simple, just clear that and we will do one from scratch. I'm going to put the title and I'm going to put the series name. Okay, and you can do them like this if you like. Okay, so next what I want to do is I want to put in all videos. Yeah. Okay, I'll put it here. I just had that in the wrong place, so I've got title, series name, videos. Okay, next I want to put in here the product name, and next I'm going to put in here the product link. Okay, so if I can find my link here, and it's all done by shortcode. Okay, now you can choose if you want to put some snippets at the bottom, like affiliate disclaimers, copyright disclaimers, all that kind of stuff. You can put in any of that in that you want. Just checkbox. You can even create your own and save it in here. And same with the templates, you can save the template once you've created it and pull it back in later, and that way you've always got the same template that you want to use. So you can see we can export templates, import templates, etc. Okay, save them. So what I want to do is just go over into Google Chrome, and you can see this is what I had in the original video description. Okay, so I can take this and I can put all of this, including the hashtags and everything, into the vid series optimizer. It's all there. Okay, all of it is there. Now if I click on the preview, okay, so now here you can see this has got all of that information in there. Okay, so what I want to do here is I want to just do a little bit of a tidy up. You can see these are too close together at the top, and so I can just close that and I can make some space in between if I want to. Now click on preview again, and that's looking better. Everything's looking good, and we just click on save for this. Okay, so again, we're all done. Now if I come over to the videos, what I can do is I can click here for update, and that's going to update all of the descriptions for all of these videos. It's done updating number 5, so everything is done. So if I click on this now, okay, so tip number 1, the YouTube title. Okay, I'm just going to pause that for a second. Okay, you can see all these links are now here, and now you can see that we have got all of that information in here. Okay, nice and easy, very, very simple. And so in future, if I won't do any more videos for this, all I need to do is do the same search. I can add video 6, video 7, video 8, video 9 for example, and just update, then click on that button. You saw how fast and easy that was. So it's a good way to be able to do video series optimization. And don't forget, those are all do follow links in here, and that just gives us a nice tool that we can do internal linking. We can get some earned views, and we know that it does help with search engine rankings, okay, with both YouTube and Google. We've seen proof of that before, and Paul Murphy is basically living proof of that with his optimization tips. Okay, now the next thing I want to highlight before I finish this is, if you haven't seen these videos, they're very, very short videos. They're all from a longer video that I created, but go and watch these. I'll put a link underneath this video. Go and watch this because they've got some good tips in here. These are modern tips that you can use that can make a difference. It can move the needle. I'll put a link under the video and you can check them out. Thanks.